So, in my last video, looking at my old Roblox horror games, you guys really liked Tom Wake Up. And on top of liking the actual game, you guys liked the models within the game. And I got a lot of requests, either over comments or Discord, to include the models with the kit. Instead of just adding onto the kit and making it even more confusing, I decided to make a separate asset pack that I will strictly update with just models and different items that you can put in your game. Before we get into the video though, make sure you hit that like button as well as that subscribe. We're trying to hit 8,000 subs. Anyways, let's get into the video. Alright, so once you have the asset pack downloaded from the description, we can go ahead and go to Toolbox, My Models, and it should be right there, Realistic Horror Game Kit Models. I probably should have named that better, but it is what it is. Once you click on it, it should go ahead and get inserted into your studio right away. The next thing you can do is go ahead and go to the Home tab, go to Group, click that drop down and click Ungroup. This will ungroup everything inside of the model. I tried to organize some of the stuff so you could see office add-ons. There's some stuff in that folder. It's basically just anything that's like office supplies or office related. Then we have a folder for just strictly the vehicles. That makes sense, you know, truck, cars, and so on. And then these are just like loose assets, so they don't really have a folder, but I just thought they were cool, and they might have been included with the original Realistic Horror Game Kit, so I wanted to keep them in this one. I'll definitely be updating this kit with more items and assets in the future. Just right now, I put together anything that I thought you guys would be interested in. So we got some tables, beds, chairs, sofas, boxes. I mean, we got pretty much it all. We got everything you need to make your first horror game on Roblox, and that's what it's all about. If you guys do have any suggestions that you want to see added to the pack, make sure you join that Discord server linked in the description. We have great staff that tries to help you with any bugs or errors that you may have. Anyways, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Chase your dreams, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.